In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide text in Confluence using the expand macro. If you've ever wanted to keep a page clean while still providing extra details on demand, the expand macro is perfect. It lets you tuck away long explanations, FAQs, or step-by-step notes so readers can open them only when they need to. Here's how to set it up clearly and confidently. Start by opening the Confluence page where you want to hide content. Make sure you're viewing the exact page that needs the expandable section, not a different space or a draft. Once the page is open, click Edit. This switches the page into edit mode and gives you access to Confluence's editor and macros. Next, place your cursor exactly where you want the hidden section to appear. Think about the page flow. Readers should see a short lead-in sentence or heading before they expand the details, so position the cursor with that structure in mind. Now type a / followed by the word expand. Confluence's quick insert menu will pop up as you type. From the menu, select the expand macro. Confluence will insert an expandable block on your page. You'll see a placeholder for the title and an area for body content inside the section. Add the text you want to hide inside the expandable section. This can be anything from a few sentences to longer technical notes. Keep the most critical information outside the macro and reserve the expandable area for context, examples, or optional details. If you see a title field at the top of the macro, you can write a clear, concise label that tells readers what they'll see when they expand it. Inside the body area, format your content just like you would anywhere else on the page. Headings, lists, and images all work fine. A quick tip: aim for scannable content. So when someone expands the section, they can find what they need fast. When you're satisfied, publish the page. After publishing, test the section to make sure it expands and collapses correctly. Click the title to expand, review the formatting, and click again to collapse. If something looks off, go back to edit, adjust the text or formatting inside the macro, and publish again. That's it. You've successfully hidden text in Confluence with the expand macro, keeping your page tidy while still offering depth for those who need it.